Hi, this is Ryan Saxtetter with SC Wake, here showing one of our new sunshades by SC Wake. We developed using a new spandex type material that has a UV protectant in it. That basically extends your Bimini's top to give you additional sunshade back here on this rear sun deck. You can deploy this within a minute or two using these sockets that you install on your swim platform. Not a bad install at all. Could easily be a DIY. These are showcasing the 72-inch carbon fiber pulls, stainless steel tops. Has our essentially our ripstop fabric that you can basically slop right over top of these pulls. Very easily done. Gives you this nice shade. Then you attach the other side. We got some speed wraps that can easily be attached to your tower and using Velcro. I got it attached to 4 different points right here. You can make it work on your tower however you see fit. Very easily done. I personally like to lead the speed straps up here on the tower, and then you just basically run it through that hole and come right back and stick it right back to itself. Easily can cruise down the lake at reasonable speeds. Definitely idle if it's not a crazy windy day. Kind of got to use your judgment for that, but we have definitely cruised up to 20 miles an hour and had no issues at all. Come check it out, scwake.com. Got all of our hardware, including the sunshades themselves, canopies on our website. Come see us. Get yours today before it gets too hot.